The shooting at the synagogue in Bondi, Australia, this mass shooting, horrific act, we as Muslims condemn it 100%, without the shadow of a doubt. We clearly condemn the assailants, whether they were Muslim or not, whoever they may be. We condemn this action because the Quran condemns it. Islam condemns it. The Quran tells us that killing one innocent person unjustly has the sin of killing all of mankind. So whoever was behind this, we condemn them without any hesitation. But we also want to talk about a hero in this story, a man who put his own life at risk, an unarmed man who literally jumped into the line of fire to save those Jewish individuals, and this was a Muslim man. Ahmad al-Ahmad has been confirmed as the hero who went and tackled a rifle away from one of the shooters without any weapon on him, put his life in danger, was shot by the other shooter, but he saved maybe hundreds, if not more, lives by taking that weapon away from a shooter. This man is a hero because the Islam tells us this is a hero, because the Quran tells us he's a hero. How? Because the Quran tells us that saving one innocent life is like saving all of mankind. Imagine how many lives he saved. It doesn't matter that they were people of the Jewish faith or not. He knew that they were human beings and he put his own life at risk to save them. That is a hero of Islam. We want to credit him, and we want the world to recognize this man who, following Islam, put his life in danger to save Jewish people because he realized Islam teaches to protect human life.